Hello, my friend. Welcome to this simple guided walking practice designed to help you slow down, come back to your body, and find calm even in the middle of a busy day. All you need is a safe place to walk, inside or outside. So find your space and let's begin. As you gently walk at a natural pace, take a deep breath in for a count of 4 steps and a breath out for a count of 5 steps. Do it a few times. Now, can you feel the solid ground beneath you? How it supports you with every single step. Notice the sensations as each foot connects with the earth. The feeling of your heel touching down, the weight rolling across the sole of your foot, and then the lift up from your toes. Try to feel each step completely. Your mind doesn't need to think about it, just feel it. As you continue this slow, deliberate walk, let that awareness expand into your legs. Notice the muscles working and feel all the subtle sensations in your legs. Move your attention to your arms and hands. Let your arms move naturally. Unclench your hands. Notice all the subtle sensations in your arms, hands, and fingers. Now relax your shoulders. Soften your face, your forehead, and your jaw. As you keep walking, let's gently open up your awareness to the world around you, using all of your senses. First, just notice what you can see. Without locking onto anything, just take in the colors, shapes, and patterns around you. The play of light and shadow. Don't try to name or analyze anything. Just observe what's there. Like a newborn seeing the world for the first time with wonder and curiosity. Now, what can you hear? Maybe it's the sound of your own footsteps, a distant car, the sound of the wind, or people talking nearby. Open up your ears to all of it, letting sounds come and go without getting stuck on them or labeling them as pleasant or unpleasant. Just notice them all as background music. Notice how sounds emerge from the silence and then fade back into the silence. Bring your attention to the sense of touch. Feel the air on your skin. Is it cool or warm? Can you feel the warmth of the sun or the fabric of your clothes moving as you walk? Now bring your focus inward again. Feel your breath as you walk. Is it deep, shallow, fast, or slow? Notice the cool sensations as you breathe in and the warm sensations as you breathe out. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just notice it and gently bring your focus back to the physical feeling of your very next step and the sensations of your each and every breath. You are simply walking, simply breathing, and simply being. Right now, there is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this step, your breath, and your presence. As our mindful walk together winds down, notice how you feel. Check in with your body, your mind, and your heart. Has anything shifted? Carry this calm awareness with you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for walking with me today. And if this walk brought you some peace or presence, I'd love to know. Feel free to share your reflections in the comments below. Wishing you a peaceful rest of your day. Take care, and I hope to see you again soon.